This is Whitirea Polytec Porirua campus, and it's time for a lift tour. We're starting off in the main building and into the main lift. This lift is a Schindler 3300 MRL lift with European style FIGL fixtures.
Floor 2.
This is at Whitirea Polytec Porirua. So capacity, Schindler 3300, European style FIGL, which is shit by the way. And now into a staff only lift, which is another Schindler 3300. Says staff only, but it's a Saturday. Oh, the indicator's gone out. I don't think there'll be anyone here on a Saturday. Schindler 3300, Whitirea Porirua.
Floor 1.
Interesting that the floor numbering for this lift is 0 and 1, but yet the other 3300, the floor numbering was 1 and 2. I wonder if Schindler just made a mistake. The indicator's gone blank, and then doors close. Huh, that's just a fault. Yeah, that beeping noise is a broken door around there. Well, that's it. The next part of the building is slightly older than the main part. It's from the late 90s or early 2000s, and the lift here is a Schindler M Series hydraulic. This is a lift at Whitirea Polytec. It's a 90s Schindler. Door close does not work. Seems that some of the decorative panelling has come off the walls, but never mind. It's hydraulic. kg, 13 persons. See if there's a chime out here. No, so this lift has no chime. So it's a late 90s design. Wonder when it was installed. I don't know. Well, I suppose it could be early 2000s, this design. You never know, but we'll say it's 90s. Oh, that's quite quick on the way down. Here it is. There it goes. The last lift is in the Polytec's library, which is just across the forecourt. The lift here is a 2004 EcoDisc. Quite dark.